Today is Tuesday, June 25th. The time is 10:51 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012-2013 Rookie Anthology Hockey Break, break number 1. Good luck, everybody. Do the Prism Preview pack first. Phil Kessel. Maple Leafs. Thomas Kubalik, autograph. It says traded to the Jets on there, so that actually goes to the Winnipeg Jets. And for the Islanders, Casey Sikas, rookie. Sharks, Logan Couture. Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Autograph for the Panthers, Scott Timmins. Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Islanders, Brad Boyes. Bruins, Tyler Seguin. Flyers, Brandon Sheen. Islanders, rookie, serial number 393 out of 999, Casey Sikas. Rangers, Rick Nash. Flyers, Ilya Bryzgalov. Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Coyotes, Mike Smith. Red Wings, Steve Yzerman, Contenders Legends, serial numbered 728 out of 999. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Joe Mullen, jersey. Daniel Alfredson, Senators. Penguins, Brandon Sutter. Lou Erickson, Stars. Steve Ott, Sabres. Max Pacioretty, Canadiens. Flames, Jerome Ignola, jersey, Lords of the NHL. Dion Phaneuf, Maple Leafs. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Oilers. Derek Waugh, Stars. Ilya Kovalchuk, Devils. Ruslan Fetenko, Flyers. Capitals. Serial numbered 1/25. Game worn gear. Alex Ovechkin. Patch. Scott Clemson. Panthers. Sheldon Saray. Ducks. Capitals. Brandon Holtby. Avalanche. Gabriel Ledenskog. Serial number 5/999. Cup contenders. Henrik Zetterberg. Red Wings. Nick Foligno. Blue Jackets. Marian Gaborik. Rangers. Blues. David Bax. Devils. Martin Brodeur. Serial number 103/500. Ryan Miller. Intensity. Acetate. Predators. Dual jersey autograph. Serial number 285/499. Chet Picard. Jerry Hudler. Flames. Cam Ward. Hurricanes. Joe Thornton. Sharks. Blue Jackets. Brandon Dubinsky. Serial number 94/999. Cam Ward. Hurricanes. James Reimer. Maple Leafs. Eric Stahl. Hurricanes. Carey Price. Canadiens. Anders Lindback. Lightning. Ryan Johansson. Blue Jackets. Islanders. Game worn gear. Matt Molson. PK Subban. Canadiens. Henrik Lundqvist. Rangers. And the last pack. Peter Mueller. Panthers. Evgeny Malkin. Penguins. Lightning, serial number 427/999, Steven Stamkos. Phil Kessel. Maple Leafs. And the last card, Corey Schneider, Canucks. Thank you everybody for bidding. Look for additional box breaks to be posted shortly.